Everybody got a 2018 Toyota Tacoma. The USB port, that's right here. I don't know if it'll ever be on right here, but this one's right here. It's missing this lid. These lids right here cannot, as far as I know, cannot be bought individually. They come with the USB. This is from the dealer. I'm going to show you how to get this out. Obviously, if your lid's missing, you don't need to replace it, but this particular car, it needs to be perfect, so I'm putting a new one in. This is the part number I got. This is from the dealer, so you could give this part number to the dealer if you need to get one. So basically, get yourself a small screwdriver like this, or if you have something like a plastic, something gentle to not mess this up. This can dent really easily. Even this can be a little too hard, but basically we're going to go in just from the bottom here and push up like this just a little bit, get it a little loose, and then do the same from the top. Go back and forth. The top one is the easier one to get it loose from. I just go up here, get this in here and pop this out, and basically there's like a little I guess it's a little lock thing. You just push that down and this should pop out. On the back here, push that little button to get this disconnected. It's a small button, it's kind of hard, but this is kind of a short wire, so don't let it go in there. If it does, you know, you probably have to get some pliers to pull it out. Got my new one. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in. I believe it only goes in one way, so we'll go ahead and connect that. You should hear it click. You know, make sure it's good, and then just push this back in. Pops in place, and you're good to go. Alright, hope this video helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.